information. He sits actively way too many hours a day. Then setting.
You got some right here. You got some right here.
Basically the rubber.
No.
Don't do that.